Hello, welcome to the KlinKode app tutorial series. Today, we'll explain the match conditions option in our KlinKode apps like ShipRight and PayRules. As an example, we have added the standard shipping option in the Select Shipping Methods field and selected All in the Match Conditions field. Now let's add some products in the Products field. Let's also add Spain in the Countries field. In this setup, the standard shipping option will be hidden at checkout only when someone from Spain orders one of these selected items. This means both country and product conditions must be met simultaneously to hide the shipping option. Now, if we select Any instead of All, the standard shipping option will be hidden if someone from any country orders these selected products. Additionally, if someone from Spain orders other products, the standard shipping option will also be hidden. In this case, meeting any condition, country, or product will hide the shipping option. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team via live chat directly from our app page. That's it. Thank you for using our KlinKode apps. Happy selling!